This is Akshay Agarwal with another brand new video here, and this video is going to focus on chemistry section, and the lesson we have picked up for discussion is chemical reactions and equations. So before entering into the main discussion of this very chapter, let me introduce what lies inside this very chapter. So firstly, as the name is suggesting, chemical reactions and equations. So in the very first instance, we will try to understand that what is the definition of chemical reaction and chemical equation there. So number one is gonna be definition of both chemical reaction and chemical equation. Thereafter, we will try to focus on another major part of this very chapter called balanced chemical equation. If it is not enough, then we will also going to understand that why do we feel a need to balance our chemical equation. So equally important these two parts are. And one more thing in this very part of this lesson is that we will also try to understand the procedure to balance a given chemical equation. So here it goes, balanced chemical equation. Next one, need to balance a chemical equation. After going through these major component of this very chapter, we are gonna focus on the biggest part of this very chapter is the types of chemical reactions. So predominantly we are gonna discuss five major types of chemical reactions there. So there it is, that is types of chemical reactions. And finally, it's gonna be effects of oxidation reaction, effects of oxidation reaction in everyday life. And so that's the effects of oxidation reaction, and let me figure it out for you. That is the effects of oxidation reaction. Predominantly there are two effects we are going to discuss in this very unit, and number one, it is corrosion, and another one is rancidity. So that's all present in this very chapter. So that's it.